Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to draw or how to represent root 3 on number line. So for that we need a horizontal line, then in this horizontal line we have to take a compass, stretch it, suppose this much, we have to mark somewhere, mark it 0, then put your pointer here, 0 mark, make an arc 1, then again put here, then mark 2, so this is marked as 1, and this will be marked as 2. Now to represent root 3, first we have to solve for root 2. So this is 1 unit, so from here we have to take one perpendicular. So let us make an arc from the point 1. Put your pointer here, mark 60 degree, then from here mark 120 degree, and in the middle let us mark 120 degree, sorry 90 degree. Now we have to draw one perpendicular. So this is our perpendicular. We have to measure this 1 unit back. Again this is 1 unit, and from this we have to mark this 1 unit here, and then we need to connect this 0 mark with this cut. So obviously this is 1 unit, this is also 1 unit, so hypotenuse will come root 2 unit. So we got the root 2. Now from this root 2 we will be considering it as a base, and we will make one perpendicular from here. Let us make 60 degree, then from this mark make 120 arc, then the middle, that will be the 90 degree. Let us connect it. So this is our 90 degree. So this is root 2 and this should be 1, then only square of root 2 plus square of 1 will give 3, and root under 3 will be root 3. So we have to measure again this 1 unit. So we have measured 1 unit, and from here we will get a cut. So this cut represents this is 1 unit, and now from here we need to connect it. Now this length is representing root 3, as this is 1 unit. We will write here 1 unit. This is root 2 unit, so this is root 3 unit. Now let us take the gap of root 3, and from here we have to make an arc. Now you can look at and we will make an arc this way. So it cuts here, that means this point represents root 3. Thank you. So this is the required solution. You can take the picture.